in your company that's really trying to grow. So I don't know who you are. If you're in Arkansas though, you got a business, you got a corporation, now is the time. These funds are available. If I'm not mistaken, I believe Arkansas got granted about 38 to 48 million dollars. 38 to 48 within that number. All to help the trades, to build the trades up in the state, fam. I see Texas just did one. Texas just did a massive, they're about to do a massive reconstruction for the trades. Arkansas is about to do a massive reconstruction for the trades, and they got millions, fam. What's your excuse now? The money is available for you. There are forms you can fill out. If you got your stuff together, you can get this money. Like, you can get it. If you're really trying to save the youth, you're really trying to build your program, to extend it, to really do more, there's funding available for that, because they really want to see the trades get out there, fam. You know, we can't reinvent the wheel.